Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing USCIS case processing times and the estimates associated with those case processing times. And are they useful? Well, they are what they are. USCIS case processing times, in a very real sense, are almost like, I won't say they're the bane of my existence, but they can be, in a very real sense, kind of annoying, because in the past, there was like a kind of a quarterly, monthly report where they were at, how long the average case was taking to process out of a given service center. That to me was kind of useful information. Now they seem to be updating it online a little bit more frequently, and people have, frankly, the USCIS website has gotten somewhat more usable in the past, although I would argue that the service centers, especially the call centers, have gotten dramatically less user-friendly. The point of this video is, in the past, they had these up, but people didn't seem to look at them as often. And now, when people see a change in the processing time estimate, or, oh, they're starting to do cases from this month, what does that mean? And a lot of people ask me that question, and it's like, it just means what it means. They're going to get to your case when they get to it. Different service centers process things in a different period, in a different time frame. You know, now if you get wildly way out of line with the estimated case processing time, yeah, maybe action needs to be taken. But there are some people that it's like, well, I mean, we're a week after the date they say they're working on. Why aren't we approved already? Well, because not everything runs in a uniform fashion at these service centers. These are big bureaucracies. They got a lot of cases. You know, not everything, it's not like a conveyor belt, for lack of a better term. Again, if you get wildly out of line with the estimates, then yeah, it may require some action. But I'm kind of ambivalent regarding the case processing time estimates because they just kind of mean what they mean. This is the estimated case processing time. And where I would even tend to kind of veer a little negative on them is because people sort of view them as holy writ, like they're set in stone. It's by this date, my case is going to be processed out. And generally speaking, no. Usually it's give or take, more or less, you know, it's around that time frame. And, you know, again, if it gets wildly out of tune with that, that's a different situation. But for the most part, these cases are they just kind of process out in their own due time.